What's that?
You're about to be famous, Dave.
Yeah, well, let's get her parallax.
Yep. So we're out here shooting at 985 yards, almost 1,000. Got Idaho Rogers behind the AR10. We're gonna have some fun, guys. We're gonna compare the AR10 against a 22 Grendel, and we've got a little bit of wind. And basically, what I'm doing is we're building a rifle for Dave exactly like this. Unfortunately, this isn't his rifle. I'd like to let him go with it, but it's my coworkers. But we're gonna build one exactly like this. So, shooting some 68 grain ELD matches. These are hand loaded. So a huge shout out to Pat for providing the cases. These are like NT cases, pretty much Lapua cases, and I think they're doing 2680. So let's get behind the Tacticam, see what it does. All right, and I think all you have to do is hold
Left edge.
well, this one I'd say 1 mil. Yeah, hold 1 mil left. I'll watch it here on the phone.
1 whole mil left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you're ready, go ahead, send it.
Hot rifle.
All right. Okay, so good elevation. Hold about 1.5. Go 1.5. Actually, hold 1.8 left. You almost hit that thing first round. Impact. Second round impact on the AR10. Cold bore almost.
Awesome.
Go again?
Yep. Can you tell where at on the plate it was?
Dead center.
That's where I was putting it.
Impact.
Sweet.
What do you think, Dave?
That is just awesome.
Stack them up. See what you do.
Yeah, I'm out of pills.
Out of pills. Okay. Well, second round on plate. That's pretty freaking good.
I hope you got that on camera.
It's on camera. You're on camera on this. So, anybody says Dave can't shoot, that's bullcrap. I've seen it twice now in a row. And these are brand new cases. I ain't fire formed. And is that accurate already? This thing's accurate, dude. This thing is one of the best
This
ARs.
is spot on.
Yeah, one of the best ARs I've ever shot. What do you think of the recoil?
A little bit more than I expected. I like to feel it with the brake on.
Yeah, the brake would be a lot nicer. I just figured this would be nice to see what.
Yeah, I mean, actually, this is the first time I've ever shot suppressed.
Okay. Really?
Really?
What do you think of it?
I like it.
Yeah.
What's not to like?
Yeah, no ears. It's more recoil. That's the downside.
It is. It is a little bit more recoil. It's more recoil than I was initially expecting.
Yeah.
But just a comfort level of not.
Not. Yeah. We could talk. Impact. 985 yards.
I think that went under.
Yeah, just under.
Awesome sauce, man.
That's awesome. Right side. I'm 2 mils for me.
Yeah, go back to 1.8.
Okay. I gotta hold 2 mils for me. Impact.
Thumped. Left.
Left. Yep. Yeah, it is more recoil than I thought.
Yeah, What were we rocking? 42.6.
42.6. So
Market.
yeah, it's slow. It's 10 mils. So it's but it's holding. I mean, in the wind, we got 7-mile-an-hour winds.
We've even picked up just a hair.
This thing's a freaking little accurate little rifle, man.
26 inches. What's the barrel twist?
That's a 1 in 10 twist. So 26-inch length. Obviously, suppressor's adding. I think the suppressor's making it pick up velocity. That's what it's doing. Because I was figuring this thing to be a little slower, and I just used the Hornady factory load ballistics on the stray lock. So
it's the 1 in 10. How heavy of a bullet can you go to?
you can shoot at 200 grain, 208.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, you can push it 208 if you want to.
Sweet. Excalibur.
Excalibur barrel.
Can't ask for anything better.
Yeah, chambered that myself and put a little short video of me building this barrel basically. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing for Dave. Shoot, he might just go home. And Josh. Yeah. In fact, he might just go home with this one. My neighbor, if my coworker don't pick it up. All right, Dave's going to try the 22 Grendel. So this one's got a little more pricier optic on it. But I think this one is not going to be as accurate as the 308. We'll see.
Right over the top.
Yep.
Holding the bottom of the plate.
All right. Just left edge. So 1.8, just like the 308.
We're out of pills.
Oh yeah.
No, we got one left.
Okay. Back, dead center. Yep, 1.2. That's perfect hold. So less wind hold.
And we got a gust just came up. Feel that?
Yeah. Yeah. I got a little shot timer thing. We could do this. So Dave wants to do 5 for 5 fast as you can. So let's see. Shot timer.
I'm gonna do 5, then Kenny's gonna do 5, and he's gonna kick my ass.
Ready? Is it 3? You got 3 impacts out of 5.
4.
Yeah, 3 or 4. Yep, and you did that in 19 seconds.
I was waiting for the freaking impact every time.
That's all right. You use the binos. 19 seconds. Holy crap, dude.
Let me get behind the binos. Tell me when you're ready and you're he'll be.
All right, you said 1.5, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready. Oh, what? Wow, I'm missing.
1,
2. Wow, I missed. I couldn't get. I was right left side of it the whole time.
You still got a shot, man. Go.
That was it. That was all 5.
Was it?
Yeah. Dave beat me. I got what? 2 hits. 2 hits.
I think you did that on purpose.
No.
That was fun.
That was nice. Well, that thing is accurate. So for me,
Oh, it is. It is accurate.
yeah, I was having to hold basically 8/10 is what my hold would have been.
Really.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and I was 1.5.
yeah. Well, this is what I was talking about. Me being cross-eye dominant, I noticed this with a lot of folks that get behind my rifles. They're like, dude, your wind holds are way more than mine, or way less.
Hmm.
I'm like, yeah, I'm looking freaking, not just because I'm Asian, but I'm looking more diagonal.
Really? You're going to play that card?
I'm going to play that card. Never shot a Browning high power, so Dave's letting me use this his Browning high power. It feels like a 1911 because it is a 1911, but better, right? About 50 yards.
Nice.
Last shot.
Nice.
Let me see it took over. Well, as you can tell, today was complete fun and had a great time with Idaho Rogers at long range. So we had a great time shooting the 22 Grendel and the AR10 in 308. Got him to shoot suppressed for the first time, and I got to shoot his Browning high power as well. Dave, thanks for stopping by once again. Hope you had a great time. You're welcome anytime you're in the area. When you're rolling on through, trucking on by. Drive safe, my friend. We'll see you next time.